think लोग सोचेंगे मैं पागल हूँ जब आप making देखेंगे, because I used to have to perform the scene with all the actors. Then they all used to have to leave, and there were tennis balls put as markers. We used to have to follow a machine that was in place that used to show us the shot, and I would have to redo the shot from the other performance point of view. Keeping in mind that the body double, or sometimes Bali, our amazing writer who used to help me out by performing with me. So I used to have to do the scene again from the other point of view, but keeping in mind that timing set हो चुकी है already. Because पूरे scene का meter set होने के बाद I would have to insert myself in the performance into it. So it was complex, it is complicated, and it doesn't sound a lot of fun. But we had a lot of fun doing it because we had brilliant people. जिन लोगों ने हमारा VFX किया, उन्होंने Dhoom 3 का VFX किया था. The YRF team, the YFX team, they're very, very, very good. So what you saw Amir sir doing a Dhoom, it's on par with that because we got the people to do it. And as you can see in the trailer, मैंने भी उस दिन पहली बार आके ट्रेलर बड़े स्क्रिप्ट देखा. मैं देखना चाहता था डबल रोल कितना real लग रहा है, कितना organic लग रहा है. And I can truly say, I think as a team, we are all very proud of the fact that the double role is genuinely seamless. मेहनत सब करते हैं, मेहनत जब रंग लाती है तो और अच्छा लगता है. तो I'm very, very happy कि दिख बहुत अच्छा है.
अतिया, इलियाना एंड कपूर साहब, आपसे भी इस जर्नी के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे क्योंकि आप लोग मैक्सिमम शूटिंग ISD किए थे. थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताएं.
ISD फॉरेन में मतलब
ISD.
So I'm extremely blessed, and I feel yeah, really blessed to be here right now. It's my second film, and I get to work with people like Anil sir, Ilyana, Arjun. So it just makes me feel proud of myself. And this journey has been absolutely amazing. I've had some of the most amazing times. And I've also learned a lot. You know, I've learned so much through the shoot, watching, observing. And I think that's really important for an actor. And yeah, so I'm extremely happy to be a part of this film.
It's been fun. It's been really crazy. As you can see in the trailer, it's mad, it's crazy, it's fun. And I think more than anything, you know, jab itne sare actors hai, you need to have a nice sort of equation with each other to be able to, especially with comedy, you should be able to at least converse with them easily so you can improvise and stuff. And they were awesome. They were absolutely awesome to work with. Athiya and me, the bonded from the beginning. There were no cat fights. As much as you would like cat fights, there were no cat fights. There were lots of fights with Arjun because, you know, we get to that.
He's the real
But
diva.
yeah. But it was so much fun. Anil ji was outstanding.
Why are you creating controversy when there is none? Yeah, please, please, I'm begging you. Please, take it back.
Arjun was really lovely to work with. Dramatic answer. He was really lovely to work with. A very supportive co-star. And Anil ji was outstanding. You were unbelievable. Like even on days when we were super tired, which happens sometimes, he was. His energy levels are like something else. It's like as though he pops up with an adrenaline shot or something. So he's awesome on set, and I think this has been an amazing journey. It's been so much fun. Anish ji probably has gone crazy dealing with all of us, but we've had lots of fun. So yeah, it's been awesome. Let's do part 2 soon. Yeah.
Part 2.
Part 2. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I think we should.